Look at me.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Not recording.
What are you doing right now?
Nothing. Waiting.
Waiting for what?
In the walk-in waiting room
Why?
because I keep on coughing. Yeah. Is that
Do
recording?
your Zoolander pose. Oh, your
No.
Nemo. Your Nemo
No.
pose.
That was a long time ago.
You can still do it.
Okay.
Yes, you can.
I don't even remember.
Just smile. Not like that. Like.
Stop it.
No.
Did somebody sit right here?
What's that?
Did somebody sit right here?
No. Why?
Okay.
Why?
It's my mom's. She had it for an hour. We've been sitting here for like 30 minutes.
Almost, yeah.
Is that recording?
No. Well, record me then.
Okay.
Okay, ask me questions.
Why are you going sideways?
Okay.
People are gonna be like,
What do you... Ask me questions.
oh no, what are you doing?
I'm waiting for the doctor.
For what? For what?
Coughing, head cold.
I thought that was me.
Well, you too. You were first. Been waiting for like a half an hour. Okay, stop recording now.
Why? Okay. Say bye. Bye.